Kia ora, local news for Thursday the 5th of December. Toxic algae is again causing problems as summer starts to take hold. Swimmers are being urged to take care, especially at the Waipō River in Wairarapa. Greater Wellington Regional Council says the advice is for people and dogs not to enter the Waipō River from Paidao Road to the Rōmahanga. The Medical Alert Foundation, the registered charity committed to saving lives by providing medical information in emergencies, has appointed 2 new directors to its board, Katie Wilkinson and Dr. Lalit Rajpaul. Rajpaul worked as a dentist for over 30 years in Tawa and is now practising 3 days a week in Greytown. And meddling bus drivers across the region have donned colourful shirts in a bid to raise money and help for those suffering from the measles outbreak in Samoa. Transport and Operations Director of Transurban, Kevin Snellgrove, says all the drivers are aware of the measles crisis in Samoa and are keen to do their part to help out. And finally in sports, the nominations are out for the New Zealand Rugby Awards with local referee Rebecca Marnie up for Referee of the Year. She's up against World Cup referees Ben O'Keefe and Paul Williams. And all the best to our referee, Bex Marnie. For local news and sports, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.